Alright, here are a few air conditioners at a bank. And this little tiny York right here. And a tiny compressor. Just like my York, except black. 2-ton from 2005. So all the Yorks from 2005 ones. Okay, so in 2017 I filmed these units. These were both here, this Dakin was here, but there was a little tiny York, kind of like mine, except it was black like those. It got replaced with a Goodman. The Dakin is running this time. So, let's see, this has a rotary compressor. It's a straight cool unit, I believe. It's a 1.5 ton from 2018. Yeah. Might have been running actually. I don't know if I'll have time to get a stick around for a startup, but these two Yorks. This one has been running. It looks like a scroll compressor. (2005) 5-ton. Oh, 2005, also 5-ton. And this Dakin, it's a 5-ton from 2016. So. Yeah, I'm not going to stick around for a startup of that Goodman, but yeah, anyways, I guess over and out.